Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where today we're bringing you something truly extraordinary. A legendary machine that's been reborn into a luxury highway mansion. We're talking about the mighty Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a powerful long-haul truck transformed into a dream home on wheels. The Kenworth T2000 was originally known for its aerodynamic design, smooth handling, and serious hauling power. But when it's converted into a motorhome, this machine takes on a whole new identity. It becomes more than a truck. It becomes a statement of freedom, power, and ultimate road comfort. From the outside, the T2000 Motorhome demands attention. With its extended sleeper cab, wide body frame, and custom paintwork, this rig doesn't just look like a truck. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Chrome details, LED light bars, polished rims, and a massive front grille give it a bold and unforgettable presence. Whether it's parked or rolling down the highway, this beast makes people stop and stare. But the real magic happens inside. Step through the custom entry door, and you're immediately welcomed into a stunning interior that feels more like a mini luxury apartment than the inside of a truck. Plush leather seating, a stylish wood finish, and ambient LED lighting set the tone. Every corner is designed for comfort, with a modern layout that maximizes space and functionality. The driver's cockpit is all about control and comfort. It features a fully digital display, touchscreen infotainment, built-in GPS, smart climate control, and even voice commands in some builds. It's not just driving, it's piloting a premium vehicle with all the tech you could ask for. In the main cabin, you'll find a smartly designed living space that includes a convertible sofa bed, a mounted flat-screen TV, surround sound speakers, and USB charging ports everywhere. The kitchen area includes a compact fridge, microwave, induction cooktop, sink with running water, and beautifully finished cabinets for storage. There's also a cozy dining area with fold-out tables and chairs, making meals on the road not only possible but genuinely enjoyable. Soft lighting, tinted windows, and blackout curtains give it a peaceful vibe for those long nights on the road. And yes, there's a bathroom too, complete with a toilet, sink, and standing shower. The water system is powered by onboard tanks and pumps, and many conversions include a water heater for hot showers, no matter where you are. The bedroom area usually includes a memory foam mattress, storage shelves, reading lights, and enough room to actually stretch out and relax. It's insulated for year-round comfort and feels surprisingly spacious. Even for taller folks, under the hood, the T2000 is still a beast. Most builds keep the original heavy-duty diesel engine, known for its long life, high torque, and fuel efficiency for its class. The transmission is smooth, the air ride suspension eats up road bumps, and the handling is incredibly stable for such a large vehicle. You can tow a trailer, haul extra cargo, or just cruise in peace. Now let's talk off-grid life. Many owners equip their T2000 motorhomes with solar panels, lithium batteries, inverter systems, and even satellite internet. This means you can park anywhere, in the desert, by a lake, in the forest, and still live in complete comfort without needing a campground or hookups. What truly sets the T2000 Motorhome apart is the balance of power and comfort. It's a road warrior built for long journeys, but inside, it feels like a first-class suite. This makes it perfect for full-time RVers, digital nomads, retired explorers, or anyone looking to break free from the usual 9-to-5 grind and chase life on their own terms. The customization options are endless. Some builds include extra bunks, slide-outs, gaming setups, office spaces, even full-size kitchens. It all depends on your imagination and budget. The T2000 gives you the solid foundation to create your dream rolling home. So if you've ever imagined taking your life on the road without sacrificing space, style, or luxury, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome might just be the perfect fit. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on 18 wheels. That's it for today's deep dive into the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more incredible rides. only here on Honest Auto Wheels. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.